Diesel generators, purpose, to provide a continuous and stable electrical supply for the ship's grid. Function, they convert fuel into electrical energy to power everything from navigation systems to heavy-duty pumps. Main air compressors. Purpose, to provide starting air for the main engine. Function, they compress air into large receivers at 30 bars. Without this stored energy, we cannot initiate the combustion cycle of the main engine. Centrifugal purifiers. Purpose, to protect engine components from low-quality fuel and contaminated lube oil. Function, they utilize centrifugal force to separate water and solid impurities sludge from the oil. Clean fuel is critical to preventing fuel injector failure. Heat exchangers. Purpose, to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Function, transfers heat from a high-temperature fluid to a low-temperature fluid through conductive barrier plates or tubes without mixing them. Freshwater generator. Purpose, to produce potable water for the Korean boiler feed. Function, it utilizes waste heat recovery from the main engine jacket water to evaporate seawater under a vacuum, ensuring high efficiency. Oily water separator. Purpose, to ensure MARPOL compliance and XI. Function, it filters bilge water to ensure the oil content is below 15 ppm before discharge, protecting the marine environment. Boiler. Purpose, to provide steam for essential shipboard services such as fuel heating, cargo heating, tank cleaning, and other auxiliary operations. Function, generate steam by transferring heat to feed water. Depending on the design, the heat source can be fuel combustion or waste heat recovered from main engine exhaust gas. Steering gear. Purpose, to control the ship's direction by moving the rudder. Function, it uses high-pressure hydraulic systems, pumps and rams to turn the rudder stock based on signals from the bridge. Bow, stern thrusters. Purpose, to provide lateral sideways movement for better maneuverability in tight ports. Function, large electric motors drive a propeller mounted in a transverse tunnel through the hull. HVAC. Purpose, the HVAC system is to maintain safe, comfortable, and controlled environmental conditions for crew members and sensitive equipment on board. Function, the HVAC system works by circulating air through cooling coils while the refrigerant removes heat through a closed refrigeration cycle. Sewage treatment plant. Purpose, to treat human waste to meet MARPOL Annex for standards before discharge. Function, most modern plants use aerobic biological treatment, bacteria and oxygen, to break down waste into clean effluent. Incinerator. Purpose, to reduce the volume of solid waste and oil sludge on board. Function, it burns waste at extremely high temperatures above 850 degrees Celsius to ensure complete combustion and minimize toxic emissions. Centrifugal pump. Purpose, to move large volumes of low viscosity fluids efficiently, such as seawater for cooling or ballast water for stability. Function, uses a rotating impeller to increase the fluid's velocity, which is then converted into pressure as it exits through the volute casing. Positive displacement pump. Purpose, to handle high viscosity fluids like fuel or lube oil or generate high pressures required for hydraulic systems. Function, traps a fixed volume of fluid in a cavity using gears, screws, or pistons and physically forces it out the discharge side.